BYD actually represent China. As we know, Tesla is US and China. We have BYD. These two are the so-called superpower. So we know that BYD is bearish and turning bearish and uncertain. The situation waiting for direction. Let's take a look at Tesla. What Tesla show us? So for Tesla, I'm also doing the same thing. Okay, so the case for Tesla is quite, not to say similar, but see, this is Tesla for the past 20 years. Okay, so it actually, now you can see from the chart, very, very bullish. Yeah, bullish. However, now I wanted to show you closer look weekly. Okay, the weekly chart actually shows some weakness as same as you can see from BYD as well. So both weekly chart also show sign of weakness. Okay, you can see now. See, this is the weakness. This is the sign of weakness. Okay, so let's take a closer look again. Okay, so this is Tesla. Okay, when I uncompress the data, you can see clearly and you can understand. Okay, Tesla, like BYD, facing pressure. As you can see, the pressure is also part of the semicon thingy. So what I see the difference between these two, if you pay attention to this part. Okay, so we know that both also are trending down. Okay, but the difference between Tesla and BYD shows strength. Show strength. See, this one is a ascending line. See, it's making higher. The lower is getting higher and higher. So Tesla actually, despite the pressure, Tesla actually show some sign of strength. Okay, so and the formation is ascending triangle. Okay, so this is the difference. And Tesla is still strongly supported above 150, whereas BYD has already breached. That is the two different things. Okay, why is it so? Because no matter how, Tesla is still the leader as compared to BYD. So Tesla has, I think, is the battery or the charging or whatever. Yeah, I think Terence will elaborate more later. I'm not onto that, but from here we can see Tesla actually show sign of strength. Okay, so if let's say the stock break up resistance, this is the resistance. Okay, if this resistance break out heading towards to 800, okay, yes. So I will not buy lah. I will not buy. I don't think I will buy Tesla, and I don't think I will buy BYD as well. Judging from the current situation facing by the EV, the reason why I still wanted to cautious myself on this. Okay, to me, this one is a double top, which I need to confirm. Okay, that is why, and our current situation, as we all know, the semiconductor actually gave pressure to a lot of EV manufacturer, huh? So this is something which I'm not comfortable. Okay. However, you can see if let's say it gets supported 660. Tesla support is 660. As long as 660 supported well, you can have a swing trade towards the resistance R1. Okay. Else, if let's say it cannot break out at resistance R1, I'm sure it will go down to 600 again. Okay. So
hey, remember, so 660 is the
yes.
support line,
Yes.
and if it breaks 660, it's going to go all the way to 600. So
yes.
traders just mark these two numbers.